Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a week. A lot of different things have happened throughout the world. As you know, big problems in Ukraine now. Several of our clients have been writing us because of course, you know, as we cover Ukraine, several of our clients have called us as well, and some of them have already opened offices in the past in Poland and Central Europe, and of course now they're expanding the offices or their businesses here. So, one being Maxify, a very interesting prop tech company, and I just talked to one of the marketing officers there, and she's coming to they have an office here in Poland, and they're making it bigger. They're moving the whole team here. So interesting. They have a lot of prop tech ideas and some concepts that I know they've been here in the past and have pitched to everyone. So we'll probably have them on the Coffee with Craig show in the next week or so when they get here. A lot of different interesting businesses from Ukraine, which in not only helping them, but actually it also taking advantage of their skills and availability. So as we hear about things for commercial real estate and opportunities maybe that have arisen from Ukraine, we'll definitely let you know. There's like I said, couple companies that we already know coming here. So we definitely like to support our friends and our clients. We'll let you know what they're doing a little bit more, probably have a couple interviews with them. And if there's an opportunity to use or to take a look at their services or what they could do for us or what they could do for you, we'd definitely like to try to connect the two. Having said that, we're just working on our SCE Awards, which is in Romania, March 31st, which is going extremely well. A couple new sponsors and new jury members every day. So if you're watching and following us on EuropaProperty.com or on LinkedIn or Facebook, you see that we're adding people every day. So that's really going well. I think even with all of the issues around the world and with issues we've been having for the last couple of years, everyone at the end of the day still wants to get together, see what kind of deals they can do and see what's going on. So join us March 31st in Romania at the Radisson Hotel. That's the SCE Real Estate Awards, longest running event, 17 years, didn't miss 1 year, even if we did a couple online, and now we're back at the hotel. So during any kind of crises, we've always had this event and never canceled it for a year. A lot happening there. I see MIPIM just going really well for those guys. We're getting a lot of response. We're getting a lot of companies looking to advertise with us, send us information. So if you've got anything that you want to promote, projects, office buildings. I noticed there's a lot of office buildings, a lot on the it looks like a lot on the kind of investment services, reinsurance, and insurance companies. Let us know. We definitely want to make sure that your name is out there. We're the international media partner once again for MIPIM with Europa Property magazines, and we've got a great stand. We'll have a couple of stand cocktail parties to do some mixing for if you want to meet some people in Central Eastern Europe, as well as we've got the distribution throughout the whole fair in the International Press Center, and of course on our stand. So drop me, if you're coming to MIPIM, send me a message or let me know. We definitely like to meet up. If you have any kind of events happening or press conferences, anything that you want to let us know about, that you would like us to cover, just send me a message either by email or SMS, and we'll be happy to come cover it. We got the team coming down. Will be a lot of fun. Having said that, well, Friday, weekend ready. Winston, ready for the weekend?
Yep.
Yeah, good. So anyway, we'll take a little break, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news. Welcome to the 17th Annual Europa Property Southeastern European Real Estate Awards and SCE Forum, held March 31st at the SAS Radisson Blu in Bucharest, Romania. With the most active international, regional, and local investors, developers, and property owners attending, this event continues to be the single most important in the region. The deadline for nominations is February 24th, and with seating limited and the Radisson Ballroom quickly filling up, now is the time to reserve your sponsorship package or corporate table. So welcome back. We hope you enjoyed our 20-second commercial on SCE Awards. A lot happening there. And Winston, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Good to see you on this Friday.
Yeah, it's nice to be here, Craig. And we'll start today in the retail investment market where BIG CEE has acquired Delta City Mall in Montenegro for 95 million euros. Mm-hmm. And this is a 24,000 square meter GLA retail development, mm-hmm. and it's almost 100% leased.
Okay.
And this is in line with BIG's investment strategy throughout the region, where they're acquiring top retail developments in Eastern Europe and the Balkans area.
Mm-hmm. Well, BIG CEE, they're quite active in Serbia and that region, yeah?
Yeah,
well.
they were in Serbia, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
I think they've got a couple of developments now there, mm-hmm. and now they've gone and got one in Montenegro, which is one of the biggest and one of the best in the capital city there.
Excellent.
Moving on and staying in the retail industry, and Lidl is to open a store on Prague's MAPIC, mm-hmm. which is this is quite a move for a discount retail chain.
Yeah.
This is
in a high street location. Yeah, really.
It's like
mm-hmm.
one of the most expensive high street locations in the world.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Around, it's ranked 20th, I think, from Cushman & Wakefield's latest.
Wow.
Most expensive streets in the world's report, and
mm-hmm.
It just shows the changing dynamics of discount retailers today. I mean, they are the ones that are expanding. They're the ones that need new space, mm-hmm. and they're going into locations that they weren't historically. They weren't in. Usually they're on the outskirts.
You more think jewelry stores and high fashion for that part of Prague.
Yep, mm-hmm. and it just shows how well these kind of retail outlets have done during the pandemic period.
Well, my next trip to Prague, I'll probably pop in and get a bottle of water and some chips or something to help them out.
Yep, that's mm-hmm. exactly one of the reasons why they're there. Mm-hmm. It's like, to provide residents and tourists with these essentials that they mm-hmm. need.
No, we all need them.
Staying in the retail industry, and again with discount retailers, more news on discount retailers, mm-hmm. and Teddy has joined Fristavi shopping centre in Katowice, which is managed by Multi-Poland.
Oh, okay.
And again, like I say, it's a discount retailer mm-hmm. and someone that's expanding a lot and taking a lot of space throughout the country in Poland. And Multi has had a very busy last 2 years with signing leasing contracts. Mm-hmm. They've signed around 64,000 square metres of GLA.
Wow, that's very active, yeah.
Which is very active, considering the pressure that particular sector's been under over the last couple of years. And some of the brands that they've put into their centres include two Carrefour hypermarkets, a Primark shop, several Action and Half Price, which are new discount stores on the market, mm-hmm, and the second LG brand store in Europe. So,
Oh, interesting. Well, discounts obviously doing well for them, and they have great locations. Yeah, they really have busy shopping centers.
Staying in Poland and going to the sustainability, environmentally friendly news, and office investor Global Worth has recently been incorporated with Polish technology firm Elo City, which is a leading electromobility provider, and they're going to install electric vehicle charging stations at all 14 of Global Worth's portfolio throughout Poland.
Oh, right. Okay.
And most of these are in operation, and some of the ones they've got one at Hala Kościuszki, for example, in Warsaw, mm-hmm. Warsaw Trade Tower, Spectrum Tower, and it's a network which is potentially the future of motoring, which is going to more electric cars.
Right. Well, it sounds like a whole part of their ESG plan, yeah?
Yeah, it's about being socially responsible, which many investors, developers, well, all of them basically, to compete in this modern environment, need to start mm-hmm. taking notice of.
Yeah, and they always are reporting on things. They're putting up press releases
apparently,
and things that they're doing.
Since 2021, 100% of Global Worth's portfolio in Poland is run by green energy.
Right, wow, yeah. Great, well, exciting news, and thank you for all the highlights on the website. Any more news on commercial real estate, visit our website, EuropaProperty.com. We update the news every day on the site, and of course have our weekly newsletters. Thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig show. We have over 8,000 viewers now per week on the news and over 14,000 on the interviews. So enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We're hoping for all of our clients and friends to have a Good weekend, and we will see you on Monday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.